Hey folks, Jay Witham here, just a cowboy and his guitar. That phrase, just a cowboy and his guitar, that you hear me do on every one of these videos, harkens back to a song that I wrote a few years back. I recorded it and also did one of these videos with it a while back. You can go through my videos and find that if you'd like to hear that song. But it's also the title song on an album that I did, a CD album called Just a Cowboy and His Guitar. And on that album, it's all country gospel music. And it includes another cowboy type song called The Last Cattle Call. That's the one I want to do for you today. Originally, it was recorded by the Flying W Wranglers, written by Gary Forsyth. I modified it a little bit on the end and did something a little different. I'll share that with you. You'll pick it up on the end, and then. But I'd like to sing it for you today. And by the way, this song is available for digital download on any of your digital favorite sites that you go to. Also, it's available. The entire album is available on my website, jaywitham.com. So let's hear it. I'm going to play it with my original soundtrack from the original recording, and it goes like this. Hope you enjoy it. Way down to Texas, we lived on a ranch on the plain, where Daddy worked hard of roving and branding, and I knew Jogie by name. At sundown he'd call in the cattle, and he'd let that old yodel ring, and sweeter sound there's never been found than Daddy when he start to sing. I hear Lodi, come home, you little Lodi, come lay down your bread and rest for a while. Lodi, your supper is waiting, come home, you little Lodi, come home. So I turned a blue-hearted drifter, drinking and gambling my pay. While I was straying, my daddy kept praying that I'd come to my senses someday. Well, one Sunday evening it happened, when I was as low as could be, and in my despair I cried out in prayer, Lord Jesus, have mercy on me. And I heard, Lodi, come home to little Lodi, and rest for a while. Oh, your father is waiting. Come home, your little Lodi, come home. Now I'm still roping and riding, and I'm working the cattle for pay. But now I'm a new man and part of a new plan, showing my lost friends the way. Well, I'll keep on riding this trail, telling my story to all, till one day I hear his voice in my ear, the sound of that last cattle call. And I'll hear, oh, Lodi, come home to little Jogie, come lay down your bread and rest for a while. Oh, Lodi, forever is waiting. Come home to little Jogie, come riding the prairie, and he's singing This is Jay Little, just a cowboy and his guitar.